When it comes to hosting your domain in the system, we do it a lot differently to any other system out there. So if I navigate over to Setup on the bottom left-hand side, and then I click on Domains, when you add a domain to the system, what is going to happen is that we are going to take over the responsibility of managing that domain. So essentially, all changes to DNS records are going to happen here within the system and not on your domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. And there's a number of reasons we do it this way. So when you create a new website, for example, and you need to update your DNS records, you don't actually have to do anything because all of those DNS records will be automatically updated in the system for you. Without your involvement at all, it will just be done for you. The second reason we do this is to avoid any misconfigurations. So when you import your domain records into the system, we're able to automatically clean those records up. So we're able to combine any duplicate records and fix any conflicting records as well. So there shouldn't be any issues with your DNS records because we will automatically ensure that there are no misconfigurations within your domain settings. And the third reason we do this is because of security. Because your domain is hosted in the system, we can encrypt all of the traffic and protect you from DDoS attacks and secure your domain in a number of different ways. Now, these are just a few reasons we do it this way. There is actually a whole host of benefits to having your domain hosted here within the system, but those are probably three of the main and most important reasons we do it this way. So again, it's for simplicity for you, so you don't have to worry about any DNS records. It's to avoid any misconfigurations, and it's to ensure that your domain is kept safe. So now that you understand why we host the domains in the system the way we do, what we're going to do next is actually walk through the process of importing your domain into the system. So I will see you in the next video.